Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty essentials, offering real, unbiased insights for all your beauty needs. If you're someone who's dealing with dry, cracked cuticles or thin nails, you might just want to keep watching. Today, we're looking at Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil. This product claims to hydrate, repair, and revitalize your cuticles overnight with its unique plant-based formula. Does it really live up to all the hype? Let's break it down. Cuccio Naturale's Revitalizing Cuticle Oil is designed to nourish and restore the health of your cuticles and nails, giving them the hydration they need to stay strong and healthy. Packed with a blend of natural ingredients like pomegranate and fig, it promises to hydrate deeply without leaving any greasy residue. What sets this product apart from others is its commitment to being free of parabens and artificial chemicals. Instead, Cuccio offers a cruelty-free, plant-based formula that aims to be a healthier alternative for your skin. The texture of this oil is surprisingly lightweight, just a few drops on your cuticles, and it absorbs quickly, without that sticky, greasy feeling some oils leave behind. After using it for a week, I noticed a real difference. My cuticles felt nourished, the skin around my nails was softer, and my nails themselves appeared shinier and stronger. I've been incorporating it into my nightly routine, applying it right before bed, and waking up to noticeably healthier hands. If you're someone who struggles with dry hands or brittle nails, this product could be a game changer. One of the most significant benefits is its ease of use. Just a small amount goes a long way. The packaging, while simple, has a sleek, salon-worthy design, making it feel like a luxury treatment without the hefty price tag. The subtle pomegranate and fig scent is also a nice touch, refreshing but not overpowering, adding a bit of indulgence to your self-care ritual. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil is easy to apply, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave a greasy residue, important for a product that's intended for use before bedtime. The formulation is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which means it's working to heal and nourish the skin over time. Additionally, it's free from harsh chemicals, which is a significant plus for anyone concerned about what's in their beauty products. On the downside, while it's effective, the oil may not be thick enough for people with extremely damaged cuticles or nails that need intense care. Those with deeply cracked skin might prefer something more substantial or go for a cream-based product for better hydration. When it comes to value for money, Cuccio Naturale's Revitalizing Cuticle Oil definitely provides a solid return on investment. A little goes a long way, and you're getting 2 bottles in the pack, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term nail care. The price is fair, considering the high-quality ingredients and the fact that you're not paying for a lot of unnecessary fillers or artificial additives. There are alternatives out there, of course. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable, oils from brands like OPI and Sally Hansen also offer similar benefits, although they often come with a slightly heavier texture. Cuccio's formula stands out due to its light, fast-absorbing nature, which might make it more appealing for those who don't want to deal with greasy hands during the day. As for build quality, the product comes in a glass bottle with a dropper, which makes for precise application. It feels sturdy, and the bottle design is sleek and professional. In terms of longevity, the oil does exactly what it promises. It helps restore and hydrate cuticles and nails, providing visible results after consistent use. If you've had any interaction with Cuccio's customer service, you'll know that they are known for being responsive and helpful, although I personally didn't need to contact them directly during my review. The brand has built a strong reputation for quality and customer care, which is always a plus in this industry. So does it live up to the hype? Yes, Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil does what it promises. It's great for people with dry cuticles, damaged skin, or weak nails. While it's not going to work miracles for extremely cracked cuticles, it provides gentle yet effective hydration, promoting healthier nails over time. Plus, it's free of harsh chemicals, which is a huge plus for anyone looking for a more natural approach to their beauty routine. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you never miss another review like this. Your support helps us bring you more honest reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences with this product if you've tried it. Drop a comment below. As always, stay beautiful inside and out.